guys. So I want to do a breakdown on Worthy of My Worship by Dunsin featuring Lawrence Oyor. Okay, so the song is on B flat. Okay, and then it starts with this intro. So what did they play here? They played your 3 3 3 3 2 3 5. Okay, so in so far as mi, re, mi. Okay, so we have something like this. So I think they played it 4 times. Then there's this lick they played. Okay, so let me break down that lick. Okay, so they played this your one, they played this. So do ti la ti do fa. Okay, then they played. Okay, that's mi fa sol mi. Then they play this. Okay, so then the chord of the song starts from your 6. Okay, so from your 6 to your chord 1 and your chord 4, 5, 1, 6, 1, 4, 5, 1. Then chorus the same thing. So from your 6 to your 1, 4, 5, then 4, 5, then and I don't know how many times, but then the other lick. So that will be end for the breakdown video. See you guys on our next class.